Hello children, welcome to EVS 1 session. Let us continue with the lesson Water Safe for Drinking. Children, as you all know, sea water is salty to taste because it is nothing but a solution of salt that occurs naturally. Can you use sea water for drinking? No, we cannot use because it is salty. Water of different wells may have different taste. Why it is so, children? Because some substances from the ground dissolve in the water. They give a taste to the well water. But if there is nothing dissolved in water, water has no taste. Children, you might have noticed this. When we remove the lid of a soda water bottle, bubbles fizz out of it. To make soda water, a gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. When the lid is removed or when the cap of the bottle is removed, the pressure reduces and the gas bubbles out. Children, let us try one activity. After when I finish explaining you the activity, you all are going to perform this activity at your home. Let us start. First, you have to take a big container. You have to fill water in it. Now, you have to collect the following things, what I am going to tell now. Now, first from your compass box. Take one plastic ruler, an eraser, a pencil, a sharpener, a rubber band, and the compass. Now, from your home, a steel spoon, then a plastic spoon. Then take some groundnut shells. Now take an iron nail, a screw and a coin. Now from outdoors, you have to collect stones, little twigs, leaves and some soil. Now listen children, whatever things you have collected from your compass box, from your house and from outdoors, all the things you are going to put in the water one by one. Now, see whether each of them sinks or floats on the water. Means you have to notice which of the material they sinks in the water, they go inside the water and settle down, and the things which float on the surface of the water. Notice it very carefully. Now children, what do you see? The eraser, the sharpener, steel spoon, nail, screw, stones, coin, the compass and the soil sinks in the water. That means they go and settle at the bottom of the water. While the other things, that is the other things, they float on the surface of the water. What does this tell us? This tells us that some things float on water while some things sinks in the water. Students, from this we can conclude the things that float are lighter than water. The things that sink in the water are heavier than the water. I hope children you all are enjoying the activities. So let us do one more activity today. Take some muddy water in a big beaker. If you do not find muddy water, then make some by adding some soil, pieces of dry twigs, straw, leaves, etc. to the water. In this way, you will get the muddy water. Now, allow this beaker to stand still for 4 to 5 hours. Do not touch it. Let it be for 4 to 5 hours like that only. Now, after 4 to 5 hours, what will you see? You will notice that the particles of soil sink in the water and form a layer or sediment at the bottom of the bottle. But the light things like the twigs and other rubbish float on the water. It will take a long time for a sediment to form. What does this tell us, children? We can notice that particles of soil are heavier than water, but Because they are very small, they take a long time to settle to the bottom of the water. But the things which are lighter than water, like leaves and twigs, they float on the water surface. Now the water appears much cleaner and transparent than it was before. In the picture you can see, before 4 to 5 hours, how was the water, and after 4 to 5 hours, how is the next picture? Yes, it is quite cleaner and transparent, and the sediments are formed at the bottom of the bottle.